Okay, so let's talk through how many currency units you would trade in this chart. So this is the chart. It's a strategy 1 trade. And if we have a $10,000 account putting in 3% risk in each trade, we need to work out how many currency units we would trade here. The entry is at 1.0491 and the stop is at 1.0471. And the ABCD is as shown. The risk is 20 pips. Remember, we only look at the 4th decimal place, and so 0471 and 0491 is a difference of 20, so it's 20 pips. So just to clarify, 0.0001 is 1 pip, and 0.0002 is 1 pip higher. So 1.0471 to 1.0472 is 1 pip. So let's work out how many currency units we should be trading here. This chart is US dollar against Canadian dollar. So let's use our trade size calculator now. So here we are at the trade size calculator. We've got a $10,000 account as stated, 3% risk per trade. US dollar against Canadian dollar, so USD CAD is selected. Our entry price is 1.0491. So we put in 1.0491 and our stop is 1.0471. So we put in 1.0471. We hit calculate and we should be trading 157,365 currency units for US dollar against Canadian dollar with a 3% risk on $10,000. So I hope you got that right. It's very simple using the trade size calculator, and all you need to do is punch in the numbers and you get your answer. So let's move on to the next chart now. Please continue over to the next page and we'll go through another example.